The video provides a comprehensive tutorial on creating a competitive avoidance game using Scratch 3.0, a visual, block-based programming language developed by MIT. The goal is to build a two-player experience where two divers navigate a shared underwater screen using precise key controls to avoid oncoming obstacles. The entire design hinges on state management and conditional logic to track a diminishing life resource for each player, turning a simple movement drill into a high-stakes endurance contest. The process begins by establishing the game's identity through strategic visual and spatial setup. The selection of the Underwater 1 backdrop provides the essential thematic justification for the game's rules, swimming physics, and the marine assets. The critical design choice is positioning Diver 1 and Diver 2 symmetrically at opposite screen edges, which immediately sets up the competitive scenario. This visual opposition, confirmed by ensuring both divers face inward, effectively creates the visual rivalry hook. This staging communicates to both players, without any text, that they are engaged in a side-by-side, high-stakes duel within a shared, hostile environment. The technical foundation for real-time play is the game engine, powered by the when flag clicked forever loops structure. The forever loop's continuous execution ensures constant polling, which is vital for reliable responsiveness. The challenge of supporting two players simultaneously is solved by input decoupling, assigning strictly separate key groups, A-B versus C-D. This technical isolation guarantees the programming flow hook by enabling seamless simultaneous action. Players can trust that their vertical swimming movements, governed by change y by plus or minus 10, will execute independently and fairly, a non-negotiable requirement for local competitive gaming. The primary mechanism for competitive tension is the variable-based state management. The variables Diver 1 and Diver 2 are initialized to 100 via the set variable to 100 block upon game start, ensuring equal stakes and defining life as a finite resource. Because this score is prominently displayed and shared, it becomes a powerful external stressor. This visibility generates the anxiety hook. Players are drawn into constant competitive accounting, tracking not just their own survival meter, but also their rival's capacity to endure, transforming the challenge into a tense public race against resource depletion. The script for the Pufferfish implements the mandatory rule enforcement. Collision detection uses the event-driven if touching Diver X, then block as an instant trigger. The ensuing consequence sequence is rapid and unforgiving. The life is drained via change Diver X by -1, which is immediately followed by oral confirmation via the play sound ocean wave block. This rapid, multi-sensory response system creates the ouch moment hook. The instantaneous feedback, score drop in sound, provides highly effective negative reinforcement, quickly conditioning the player to prioritize avoidance above all else. The movement logic assigned to the obstacles defines the threat profile. The Pufferfish, for instance, is given a simple, repeatable horizontal movement pattern using blocks like repeat 30, move 10 steps, combined with direct tracking. This design creates a predictable danger, which is a powerful pedagogical tool. This predictability generates the anticipation hook, rewarding the player's cognitive skill, pattern recognition, rather than just reaction time. By learning the rhythm of the obstacle, the player can engage in strategic, timed vertical maneuvers, leading to a satisfying sense of mastery over the recurring challenge.